to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. This is gonna be a lot cooler. That's all right. We'll make it through. I'm doing something very new and exciting today. I'm doing an unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video ever because why would I do that? I've never made YouTube videos before. But I ordered some plants online because I had a birthday recently, and you know what? I spent my birthday money on plants unashamed. So glad I did. Let's get started. Here is the box that the plants came in. I just popped the top, maybe looked at these, none of your business. And then, here's the plants. They came pretty well packaged. Let's see, I got a spider plant. I've never had a spider plant before. It's really cute. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it came in a tiny terracotta pot. Oh, that's adorable. Oh no. All right, just a little shaken up. But they were really packed well in there, so I'm not mad about it. Does this come with instructions for all the plants? Because that could be cute. No, it just says general care, plant care, general instructions. It's like a plant care 101. Maybe I'll use this to make a plant care 101 video. That could be cute. Soily now. Anyway, back to the spider plant. Sorry. What's up? That's adorable. It came in like a little planter pot inside of a terracotta pot, which is cute, but that means I'm gonna have to replant it soon. Not soon, but eventually. It's like the next size up, so I'll give him a little bit to adjust to the house as usual. Put him in my bedroom, because that's where they live. And we'll see how he does. He's really cute. He came in pretty good condition. He's got a little bit of some sort of damage here. It could just be sunburn from the nursery too. I mean, that might happen. This one looks like it was literally cut off, but that ain't none of my business. It's cute. I don't see anything new coming in. Not worrying, but oh, there's one. Yeah. We're gonna do great. Not too close to the flame. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, cute. I'm not sure what this one is. I wasn't paying attention. I just ordered a 4-pack of plants because I knew it would make me feel better whenever I got it. And here I am. Cute. It's spotted. Maybe it's a spotted hypoestus? A spotted hypoestus? I'm getting smarter every day, folks. It's cute. This one's not damaged. Not damaged at all. That's good. And it's growing pretty well. I'll give you a closer look here. He's cute. Shouldn't say he. I'll say whatever I want. Time for a little sipper. This is root beer. Okay. Let's do this one next. Ooh, I know that I got a fern in this pack because I've always wanted a fern. They're always so expensive at the store. I always like to get little plants because I want to nurse it. I want to love it. I want to give it a home. So I'm excited to have a baby fern. So adorable. My grandma's gonna be stoked when she sees this. I told her I bought plants, but I didn't tell her that I bought 4. Does anyone's grandma still send checks in the mail? Because mine does. Everybody else is hip to that PayPal game, but my grandma's just doing her own thing, dude. And I appreciate her for that. Love her with all my heart. She's the sweetest. Okay, here's the fern. It's a little one-sided. I can't tell if some of the little bodies are just like tucked up inside of itself. I don't know. But it's adorable. As usual. I can't stop shaking. It's so wiggly. Very cute. We love. Cute. The last one. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that you have to push this thing out first. Little clicky clicky. Boom. Oh, it's very green. I don't know what it is. Huh. Not sure what it is. Gonna take care of it anyway. As best as I can. I would like to have a plant for my bathroom. One that's low light, like low AF light. And likes the humidity. Because that's what my bathroom be. Oh, that looks like a coffee bean. I'm gonna assume this is a coffee plant. It's very cute. It's so shiny. It's very waxy. Huh. All right. This is my favorite part of any plant. That very tippy top. Where it's just sprouting like a little bean, you know? It's so cute. I love to watch the new leaves grow. It makes me so proud, my little baby. Here's that little coffee thing that I was telling you about. Looks just like a coffee bean. Oh, is that root? I hope not. I hope it's just a piece of wood. Well, that's cute. Really cute. Here is Bean. I also have a couple new friends to show you because that was very quick and I know that you want more of me. Look at this beautiful. It's so big and bushy and it was only $8, okay? Probably needs to be replanted soon. Roots are coming all the way out the bottom, but I need to do a little bit more research. All I can tell you right now is that's a Codiaeum variegatum, and that we're twins, literal twins. I'll say something, and this might be controversial, but Home Depot has cheaper and better conditioned plants. Like, I know that when I go to Lowe's, I usually get plants from the clearance aisle. But even at the clearance aisle, they're pretty cheap, or they're pretty expensive. Like, this, $8, not on clearance. Let me show you the one I got at Lowe's on clearance for $8. Excuse me? This? I mean, he's doing pretty well now because I've nursed him back to health and I've been trying to. He's still growing new stuff. But he was dead AF in horrible condition on the clearance shelf, soaking wet, and he was $8. You tell me. And Lowe's, I'm sorry to say it, I'm only gonna buy clearance plants from you. Make your plants $8. I think I have a couple more plants that I have to show you actually. Oh no. Okay, it's just scared. That scared me. That was my plants. Be careful, dog. I remembered that I also got a golden pothos. Dude, can you just chill out for a minute? Take a nap. Whoa, watch the beer, bud. He likes the light, so he just follows the shadow. That's his butt, if you can see it. Duke, go lay down. That's good. Lay down. All the way down. Come on. Lay down. Hey. Alright. Anyways, I got a golden pothos from Home Depot as well, and he was only $5 for this big honkin' thing. So, pretty stoked on that. Growing pretty well. I'm proud of my family. I'm also taking care of one of my friend's plants and trying to nurse it back to health. And that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to replant my friend's plant and try to nurse it back to health. It's just so sad. It's a palm of some sort. It's very small, but the cat keeps eating it. It's a dangerous situation. Thank you for being here. I'm so happy that I get to share my plant life with 11 people on the internet. If you're one of them, say hi in the comments or something, and maybe I'll say hi back. I hope you turn in next week, where I'm hopefully taking care of my friend's plant and giving it some fresh soil and some new love.